Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Taylor here with us this morning. Taylor's a hairdresser up in the Woodlands, and she also owns a health food store, right? What's the name of your health food store?
Grace's Nutrition.
Grace's Nutrition. There you go. So Taylor came in today complaining of pain in her ankle, which if you look at her stance, you can see she's got some inversion, which is an internal rotation of her left foot down there. And then that's creating abnormal structural and biomechanical changes in her pelvis, which is putting more weight bearing on her right leg and ankle, and she's been getting pain in her right ankle. She also fell snowboarding last year, wasn't it?
Yes.
And fell on her tailbone, so she's been getting pain down her sacrococcygeal area, and then some low back tightness down here. But she also, being a hairdresser, gets some tightness up and around her shoulders and into her ribs. And as you can see, she's got some forward head posture, which most hairdressers do. Her ears dropping out here over her clavicle. It should be back here over her shoulders. And you see how that puts her hands out in front of her as opposed to at her sides where they're supposed to be. So we'll take a look at that after the adjustment and make sure that's corrected. I've already done her orthopedic neurological examination. She's 5x5 on her muscle strength, upper and lower, and then 2+ equal and active reflexes, upper and lower. Let's lay on your tummy for me there, please. So her right leg's about 1/4 of an inch shorter down there, and then it gets even and a little longer there, and that tightens up a bit in her low back and pelvis. So I'm going to start adjusting on her left SI joint. That's probably a little tender right there. I did a sacral deviation test on her a little while ago, and it showed that she's a little bit more difficult on the right or left side than it was the right side, which helps us determine that she's got a left sacroiliac subluxation. And then I'm adjusting the left aspect of the sacrum here, the right aspect of the sacrum there, the right SI joint. And then I'm going to come straight down P to A on L5, L4. And some of these will be a little sore at first here, Taylor, just because they've been out for a while. But they'll feel a lot better when I get done. Okay. Good. Okay. Now this one might not be the most comfortable one in the world, but I'm going to go ahead and adjust your coccyx here. There it is. Do you feel that? That moved good. There you go. Okay. That's the only way that you can adjust the coccyx externally. In Texas, we're not allowed to adjust them internally, which I don't think I would probably do anyway. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Because the coccyx kind of curls up underneath. So. It hurts. I know it's very painful, especially when you're sitting. So your head's a little forward, see? So I'm going to pull your head up and back over your shoulders where it's supposed to be. Okay, good. Now, if you'll put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. Yep. I'm going to adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and your anterior ribs right here. Good. Okay. I'm going to just adjust your ankles now, so I want you just to relax this for me. I got you. There you go. Can you feel that? You should have felt that in your ankle all the way up to your pelvis. Okay. Adjust your toes here. That little piggy and this piggy. Alright. So again, relax this. That's a girl. Boy, that was a nice one. So we're going to get both your knees lined up, your hips lined up, and your... Okay, relax this in my hand. There you go. You should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your low back, did you? Okay, same thing here. Just relax this. That a girl. Good job. Okay, let's sit gently face towards Renee. There we go. Most of the hairdressers we take care of, they get neck and shoulder tightness a lot because their hands are out in front of them all the time. And their heads are kind of down forward looking at the client's hair. But you work out more than most, so that helps you. Okay. There we go. Have you ever had wrist problems?
I'm left-handed.
Okay, so you can cut with that one, right? Okay, let's come over here on this table now. I'm going to decompress your entire spine, so I'm going to have you put your rear in here and head up that way, please. Yes, ma'am. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to pin your pelvic bones in here. Slide down this way just a bit. A little bit more. There you go. Let your legs bend and relax naturally. This is how you should start sleeping, by the way. It's on your back with your legs elevated like this. See if you have them up parallel with the floor. You see how that relaxes your low back? That should be easier on your coccyx as well. Okay, now keep your teeth together. Just breathe through your nose. There you go. Perfect. Felt that all the way down, didn't you? Good girl. Still good reflexes. Actually, they improved even. Now, let's let your head relax in my hand here. Perfect. Boy, oh boy. You're going to be a crack addict's favorite. That's for all you crack addicts around the world.
Plus, I love her tattoos.
Thank you.
I got one more adjustment I'm going to do on you. Let's come over on this table. And I'm going to have you change the height of this for you. Put your knees right here and your face up in chest on this. And you can just rest your hands right down here. Just go ahead and kind of let gravity sink all this down. Just let this sag and relax. There we go. One more. That's it. Okay, good. Now let's have you come over here and stand in front of the mirror again. Okay, so put your feet shoulder width apart for me. There we go. You're standing a little better already. Your left foot's not turning in quite as much as it was. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me again. Remember how that felt. Now back to neutral. Okay, so here's your homework. Go ahead and lift up for me and pull back like this simultaneously. Flare these like that. See how it tightens up the whole trap? Now you want to keep from putting your head forward when you're doing that, so we're going to come straight back this way. Now I want you to look at the wall behind you. Keep those shoulders pinched together. This is your homework exercise right here. 15 reps 3 times a day. That's 45 times a day. Adjust your atlas, which will send messages into your share bell and retraining your body. Relax. Now flex forward and backwards again for me. And take a look now. You're right down the middle everywhere. See, your hands are more at your sides now. Your shoulders are more squared off. So how do you feel right now compared to when you walked in the door?
I feel a lot better.
Good. So most people want to know what the very first experience is like on the spinal decompression. How would you describe it to them?
It's just a little tight, but it feels like a release once you get
Once it's
adjusted,
over, huh?
yes.
Well, thank you for sharing your
Thank you
experience
again.
here. Yep. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.